Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a word that's essential for maintaining a pleasant environment: clean. Our word of the day, clean, is an A1 level verb that means to make tidy. It's one of the first words we learn in English, and we use it all the time. Clean means to remove dirt, marks, or unwanted matter from something. Think about cleaning your room, cleaning the dishes, or cleaning your car. It's all about making things spick and span. Let's explore some synonyms for clean. How about tidy? You can say, please tidy your room before dinner. Another synonym is wash. For example, I need to wash the dishes after the meal. We can also use scrub, especially when something requires a bit more effort to clean. He had to scrub the bathtub to remove the grime. Another synonym is sanitize, particularly relevant for hygiene purposes. We need to sanitize our hands regularly to prevent the spread of germs. Also, consider dust, often used when removing fine particles from surfaces. She needs to dust the furniture every week. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms for clean. The most obvious one is dirty. For example, the floor is dirty. It needs to be cleaned. Another antonym is filthy. The room was filthy after the party. We can also use messy, which implies a lack of order. His desk is always messy. Another antonym is polluted. The river was polluted with industrial waste. And lastly, we have stained. The white shirt was stained with red wine. So, how can we use clean in everyday life? Well, you can say, I clean my apartment every Saturday morning. Or, she is cleaning the windows to let more sunlight in. You might also hear someone say, make sure to clean up after yourself. We also use clean in expressions. For instance, a clean break, meaning a complete separation, or a clean slate, meaning a fresh start. Consider these usage examples. I need to clean my room before my parents arrive. The dentist told me to clean my teeth twice a day. She cleaned the kitchen counter after cooking. He used a special detergent to clean the delicate fabric. After the renovation, we had to clean up all the construction debris. They hired a professional company to clean the office building. It's important to clean wounds to prevent infection. The park rangers work hard to keep the trails clean. She always uses eco-friendly products to clean her home. He is responsible for cleaning the pool every week. The clean air felt refreshing after being inside all day. The software helps to clean up unnecessary files on your computer. The company is committed to producing clean energy. It's important to clean your glasses for better vision. After the painting project, we need to clean all the brushes. Please clean the spilled milk from the floor. The mechanic cleaned the engine to improve its performance. The chef meticulously cleaned his knife after each use. The artist is cleaning his palette after painting. The scientist is cleaning the test tubes after the experiment. The musician is cleaning his instrument after playing. It's a good habit to clean your shoes before entering the house. The gardener is cleaning his tools after gardening. The baker is cleaning the baking trays after baking. The librarian is cleaning the books. The teacher is cleaning the whiteboard. The coach is cleaning the sports equipment. The pilot is cleaning the cockpit. The train conductor ensures the train is clean. The bus driver is cleaning the bus. The street sweeper makes sure the streets are clean. The garbage collector ensures the trash cans are clean. The factory worker is cleaning the machinery. The construction worker cleaned his equipment at the end of the day. The farmer made sure to clean the tractor. The soldier makes sure to clean his gun. Today, we've learned that clean means to make tidy, removing dirt or unwanted substances. We explored synonyms like tidy, wash, scrub, sanitize, and dust. We also looked at antonyms like dirty, filthy, messy, polluted, and stained. Remember that clean is a versatile word that we use in many different contexts. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Your presence makes this podcast worthwhile. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn new vocabulary. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word clean and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Keep cleaning up your vocabulary, and I'll see you next time.